What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Platinum November Monsterbass. Alright, first up on the red carpet from the Monster Box is going to be some KVD green pumpkin rodents. These are going to be nice. And to pair them up, you get a nice little set of Daiichi straight hooks. Offset. So you can run them. And we also have next is a razor jig. Not sure what the weight is on that. It is 3/8. 3/8 ounce. There we go. It's gonna be nice. Next we have. This is from Monster Bass themselves. The deep diving depth, 2 to 6 foot flat line. That nice crackled shad pattern. That's gonna be nice to be dragging down on the bottom. These nice cold days. Then the next one we have here is a Halo Shiner Reel Perch by Bait Lab. This is a, let's see if you can see that there. Yeah, it's 5 foot suspended jerk bait. And then we have the Z63Z series lipless. And it rattles. It's a nice bluegill pattern. That's gonna be nice. And then we have that'll do good. This here. Green pumpkin high def crawls, 3-inch. Nice little 4-pack. Be nice to throw on the that razor jig there. And then, of course, they always like to throw in a nice little sticker. Good to stick on your coffee mug or on your mom's bumper of her car. Then, with all of the boxes that Monster Bass likes to send out, they always give you this nice little catalog here that gives you details of all the stuff that's inside. And then catch, weather conditions, water depths, etc. Always good to have a nice little manual. And they also give you a golden ticket. I'm not going to show you the number because hopefully I win it. Alright, that is it for this November box. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. As always, catch 'em.